Alright, I figured I would show you about this machine a little bit. Those that were asking, I have my glass down. I have a small glass because it's going to take a small glass. And I am going to do a lemon drop. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this up. I'm going to put my pod right there. Go next. Mix, and then it's just gonna mix. Making my lemon drop, and knows where to pull it from. Pulling it from the vodka, and I did regular because I don't want a strong drink. It does it perfectly fine in a regular. And now we have our lemon drop. To come over here into my ice machine, give me some ice, put it in my cup there because I want a fancy cup. And then we're going to take my lemon drop that I just made, pour it in that fancy cup like so, get a straw and stir it up, and there you go.